Nobo Mattress Machinery Company is established in Foshan since 2007. After years growing, we are becoming one of the leading high-tech companies in the mattress machinery industry. We are professionally manufacturing mattress machinery for China and overseas market in the past decade, including bonus spring type machines, continuous type machines, and pocket spring type machines. Semi-auto machines and full auto mattress machine production line are also available now. We grew fast and strong in the last decade. We will grow intelligent and smart in the future. Our factory is located in Jiujiang town of Foshan, which is around 15 miles away from Guangzhou Lansha Port. There are approximately 8,000 square meters of our production workshop. Over 15 workers working in 4 different function workshops.
Workshop you are looking is our department of spring making machine and full auto mattress production line. Our technicians are here for assembling the bonnet spring time machine and continuous spring time machine. He is Master Tai, who are the department director. He is the soul of developing our machines. Because of them, we are improving our machines every day. The next workshop is our spring assembly machine workshop. All of those spring assembly machines are being assembled here now. Spring assembly machine is the best-selling machine in our factory. More and more mattress factories are going to purchase our assembly machine for improving their productivity with low cost but high improvement. Master Kang is the director of assembly machine group. He is the main technician of this department.
The third workshop is our cutting and welding workshop. Every day our welding workers cut tons of stainless steel and weld them together here. We don't purchase machine frame from outside because we can produce by our own. Therefore, our machine frame will never broken easily due to our thick quality control by our own.
The last workshop is our CNC center. There are over 10 units of CNC machines and 10 very good skillful machine operator working here. They produce many machines parts for us every day. Spring making machine, spring assemble making machine, and fully automatic mattress production line. Most of the metal parts are our own design and manufactured. There will be more and more parts for our machines come from this center in the coming future.
Ether.com, make global trade easier.